It's another day on the bookshelf project. They were painted with a second coat this morning real early. Here are my shelves. Just got to unclamp them, take the masking tape off. Time to put it all together. Now, I made marks on each corner and I've subsequently lost the marks. So don't do that. Alright, so pretty much my last order of business before I drag this inside is to put all these screws in here for my foot plates. Now, I've got two in here, but this one on the outside's a bit bent. To attach this final foot plate on the back here, I just have to roll it over. I'm going to have to do some clamping just to get it tight. Now, while I was waiting for the camera to charge, I put a couple of the turnbuckles in, and they do look very nice. Quite happy with that. Maybe I will be able to do it without clamping. This last one needs to be picked up quite a way. These have all been pre-drilled and pre-countersunk, so I might just have a go at using the drill just to tighten these up. Otherwise I'll be here all day. Now this drill was not powerful to get one of those 50mm bugies out once it had been screwed into the jarrah. But let's see how it goes with everything pre-drilled. Quite okay. This is looking very close to beautiful. So I can foresee myself actually sliding this inside and putting the rest of the turnbuckles on it at this stage. Now I've just got to put on another 13 turnbuckles, and then I can adjust those turnbuckles to plumb it up, and then at a later stage there's going to be a steel V that'll just screw in here, and possibly at a couple of points on these shelves just to give this a little bit more rigidity. But I'm quite happy with how rigid it is already, but the V's will contribute to this look. I've got the black, I've got the polished steel on nearly everything, and then I've got the jarrah. So it's a nice coloured palette that I'll be using throughout this room. Sometimes they're not as cooperative as you might think, particularly getting these off. Alright, 5 down, 11 more to go. Secret is working out how to get these mousing pins out.